life for us. What are you doing? One thought you could obey. So we also give up our lives for our Christian brothers and sisters. 有人的背地摸背做事，叫我们看见大的背着有定全嘛球。第一个下面的 ，If anyone has enough money to live well, and see a brother or sister in need, and refuse to help, how can God's love be in that person? 要被一人一肚子。被你我早年是糟糕个背了，被我念我这早被我闹了，但是被宝贝一度不定被度完成吧就都做，被结婚这8年 refuse to help， 这边要海到的完全做给路的，我要宝贝了 ，no， 也只要也只要，所做给路。后边路边就不定成吧，就靠这里看到嘛，在背地游过去，好玩球了。好的哦，看到的玩球，要多摸鸟个好背了，玩球要多鸟个好背了。好的背，看到的背地要多能摸些了。师傅讲过话呢，你要 James chapter 2 verse 15. Suppose a brother or sister is without clothes and daily food. If one of you say to him, Go, I wish you well, keep warm and well fed, but does nothing about his physical need, what good it is? 比上的被我一度固定什么就度末，跟全把球，什么可就拿的什么就莫闹，那种人闹一度还要拿的，个这里模糊，人个这里模中看，模个发电脑，听我就莫闹。但是个什么地头来去不管的人真能看，很多要上下去。路边的土地要偏到那边，你叫你我介绍那个我看意思。We know that we have passed from death to life because we love our brothers. 被包啊，被丢，靠合作给多了，到这些了，就好被路一个土地去下去。好，继续。Loving our Christian brothers and sisters is proving that we are truly love God. 路边条土地完全嘛就我的靠边的，被路嘛就的地。你要讲美国做係啦 ，We love because He first loves. If anyone say I love God, yet hate his Christian brother and sister, he's a liar. For anyone who does not love his brother, whom his eye has seen, cannot love God, whom he has not seen. 被路嘛就的好嘛就不是路的，被这些路的人嘛就是路的。但是一度人跟他的路嘛就，但是真走的都不定真嘛就，给你都能干。要不大家都要路到到都不定真嘛就，我个这路去到都不定我个。路好木包，个人讲路到都嘛就，我个路好木去包。头边路边就不定真嘛就。แต่我的靠边到啊，的被路被丢下去，就靠办事我不定真办事，这都我就嘛觉得叫了做高 every day as a testing for your love for God. He places you with brothers and sisters every day to test your love for God. And if you cannot love those brothers and sisters are next to you, those who oversee the Christians, then how can you say you love God who your eye has not seen? That's not real. 各位讲，如果不办就我跟好梦都去报，要你办去年弄摸，讲真，叫人做个鸟，个都挺路了，各位讲还到个路不办就个好梦去报，要一个到被路，讲那鸟的被路讲真嘛，去到的被这路办去。